Welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping creations the world of luxury motorhomes has ever seen, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome. This triple-story giant has officially broken the internet with its unbelievable features. We're talking about not one, not two, but 3 kitchens, 3 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms, each one designed with the kind of attention to detail that makes you wonder if you're looking at a high-end mansion instead of a motorhome. This is more than a vehicle, it's an entire lifestyle, and once you see what's inside, you'll understand why this machine has become the most talked about motorhome of the year. Let's start with the kitchens, because the T2000 isn't playing around here. The first kitchen, located on the main level, feels like something straight out of a luxury apartment. It comes equipped with full-size stainless steel appliances, a smart refrigerator that tracks your groceries, an induction cooktop, and even a built-in dishwasher. The quartz countertops and LED accent lighting make the space sleek and modern, while deep storage drawers ensure you'll never run out of room. The second kitchen on the entertainment level has been designed with gatherings in mind. It features an open bar style layout, built-in grill, wine cooler, and a long counter that doubles as both a prep station and a serving area. This is the perfect spot for hosting friends or family while on the road. And then there's the third kitchen, the rooftop kitchen. This one is completely open air and comes with a barbecue setup, compact fridge, and outdoor dining area, letting you cook under the sky and enjoy meals with panoramic views. 3 kitchens in one motorhome. It doesn't get crazier than that. Now, moving to the bedrooms. The first bedroom is the master suite, located on the main floor, and it is pure luxury. At the center is a king-sized memory foam bed framed with elegant wood finishes. There's a walk-in closet, built-in smart lighting, and even a soundproof design so you can rest peacefully no matter where you're parked. The second bedroom, located upstairs, is more family-oriented. It comes with 2 twin beds that can combine into a queen, making it flexible for children, guests, or extended family. Each bed has its own reading lights, charging ports, and hidden underbed storage, proving that no space has gone to waste. The third bedroom is perhaps the most magical. It sits at the very top, featuring a queen-size bed under a panoramic glass ceiling. Imagine lying in bed and watching the stars above you. It's an experience that no other motorhome in the world can offer. Each bedroom is climate-controlled and fitted with luxury finishes that rival a 5-star resort. And now the bathrooms, which truly seal the deal on why this motorhome feels like a moving palace. The main bathroom on the first level is a spa on wheels. It features a rain shower with adjustable water settings, heated marble-style floors, and a full vanity with backlit mirrors. The second bathroom, located upstairs, is slightly smaller, but still offers a high level of comfort with a glass-enclosed shower, dual sinks, and elegant chrome fixtures. The third bathroom on the rooftop level is compact but stylish, offering a space-efficient shower, a smart toilet, and natural lighting that makes it feel open and refreshing. Having 3 bathrooms means every passenger can enjoy privacy and comfort without compromise, something almost unheard of in the world of motorhomes. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome isn't just redefining what a motorhome can be, it's rewriting the entire rulebook of mobile living. With 3 fully equipped kitchens, 3 unique bedrooms, and 3 luxurious bathrooms, it delivers the kind of comfort and convenience that most people can only dream of, all while traveling the open road. This is more than transportation, it's an experience, a home, and a statement of luxury and freedom. So there you have it, the motorhome that has broken the internet with its wild features. If you enjoyed this in-depth tour of the Kenworth T2000, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more reviews of the most incredible vehicles in the world.